Hello, viewers. Welcome to the class for today. Today, it's grade 5 math, and we want to look at some quiz questions involving areas of squares and rectangles, areas of squares and rectangles. If we are able to finish that on time, we're going to go further. My student is going to join the class very soon. Just hang on there. Meanwhile, you can subscribe to this channel for updates on our future videos. Thank you. Hello, Maggie. Can you hear me? How are you today?
Yes.
How are you?
Good. No.
All right.
Hello.
Yeah, I can hear you. So you're welcome to the class for today. All right. That's good. So without wasting our time, we have to move on to the quiz for today. And the quiz we're looking at is areas of squares and rectangles. What did you say?
Hello.
What did you say?
Hello.
I can't hear you.
Hello.
Oh.
I forgot right now because I attended a formal with abilities school.
Okay. No problem. So I'm going to bring the first question. Then you have 15 seconds to answer the question. 15 seconds. Maggie, okay? Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Here's the first question. It says, what is the area of the rectangle below? Your time starts now. 15 seconds. Time up. So to get the area, you know that you're supposed to count the squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And if you count downward again, you have 1, 2, 3. So the dimension is 7 by 3. 7 by 3, or 3 by 7. So you're going to say 7 times 3, and that is 21 square units, okay? So take note of that, Maggie. Is that clear? You're not responding. Okay, good. So the next question is coming. You have another 15 seconds. Are you ready? Are you ready, Maggie? 15
Yes.
seconds. Yeah, good. 15 seconds for the next question. Okay. Your time starts now. 15 seconds. 15 seconds going, and gone. So again, you've been given the dimension of this. You're just to multiply the two of them, which is the area equal to 8 cm times 4 cm. So 8 times 4 is 32. Then cm squared, because you've been given the unit. Miggy, get ready for the third one, because you have missed 2 questions right away because you are not focusing on the time or focusing on the question. So I'm going to put your scores here. So you missed the first, you missed the second one. Let's go to the third one, Miggy. Get yourself ready for the next one. So here it comes. It says, what is the area of the rectangle below? Even if it's a square, just find the area. Now your time starts now. 15 seconds. Your time's going. Your time's going. Gone. Miggy, this is to prepare you for quizzes, for exams at your school. You need to respond as fast as possible. Again, you got to multiply. You say area equal to 5 cm times 5 cm. Miggy, what is 5 times 5? No response. 5 times 5 is 25 cm squared. Miggy, by the time I bring forth the next question and you did not respond, we're going to end the class for today. So get ready for the next one, Miggy. Get ready for the next question, Miggy. So by the time I give you the next one, there is no response. The class comes to the end for today, then I'll have a word with the mom. Okay, so the next one now. Let's see. Let's see what the next one contains.
The class what? The class what?
What did you say? So here comes the next question, Miggy. Okay, your time starts now. You have 15 seconds. So your time is up. And again, like I did the first one, all of the previous ones for you, you are supposed to count the squares. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the dimension at the top is 10 square boxes. Then we want to count across, downward. So 1, 2, 3. So that's going to be 3 units. So that is, the area is 10 times 3, and that is going to be 30 square units. So thank you very much for not responding, Miggy. When you are ready to listen, you are going to message me. Goodbye for now. So I got that there. We're going to continue. There is, there are ways in which you deal with students. And he's not responding today. I'm going to get in touch with him now. Okay, so I hand the meeting for now, and we can come back when I have a word with the parent. Yeah, so you're ready now, right? Okay. So I'm going to bring the next question, so we move on. What did you say? I can hear you.
Can you hear me well?
I can hear you. So the next question is coming right now. Here's the next question, Miggy. That's okay. Now, time to answer the next question. This time, I'll give you 20 seconds. 20 seconds, okay? Your time starts now, Miggy. 20 seconds going. 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 Your time is gone again, Miggy. So, it says, you said third option?
Yeah.
You didn't get that because you didn't do anything. It cannot be third option. Why can it not be third option? You have been given the dimension, and you can see that you need to multiply. Miggy, what is 5 times 8? What is 5 times 8? You are closing your eyes. What is 5 times 8? Oh. What did you say? So you missed this one again. Okay, no problem. It's 40. All right. I'm going to bring the next question. Get ready, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, so get yourself ready. Don't miss this next one. There is nothing difficult in this. I just need your full attention. So here comes the question. 20 seconds. Your time starts now.
Yes.
10 seconds more.
Okay.
Your time is gone again. Miggy, can you hear me? You multiply to find the area of either squares or rectangle. So we have area equals to 4 meters times 7 meters. And that will be 28 meters squared, which is the second option. Again, you didn't answer that on time. So can you still hear me, Miggy? I'm bringing the next question. Can you still hear me? Let me know if you can hear me. So here comes the next question. You have 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Miggy, can you hear me before I start the timer? Can you hear me before I start? Okay, you can hear me. Good. So your time starts now. 20 seconds. Going. 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 Your time is gone. You said third option, right? Okay, let's check it. Let's check your third option. So the dimensions are 6 by 2.5. So 12.5 times 6 cannot be third option because 12 times 6 is 72. So that could be the second option. 6 times 5 is 30. Okay? You keep 3. 6 times 2 is what? Miggy, unmute yourself. What's 6 times 2? 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3. That's 15. You keep 1. And 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1, that's 7. So there is a decimal digit there. Then you have this, and that is 75.0. So again, you didn't get this one. So concentrate on the next one. It's not something difficult. You have to get it. The next question is coming here. For this one, I'm going to give you 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Miggy, 40 seconds. Your time starts. Yeah. The time starts now. 40 seconds. Thirty seconds more. Twenty seconds more. 10 seconds more. And your time is up. So, which option did you pick? You said second option? Okay. Let's check it out. This question says, which rectangle will have the largest area? Okay, we have to find all of the areas. 6 times 7, 42. 4 times 10, 40. 6 times 5, 30. 9 times 4, 36. 42 is the greatest. So the first option, not the second option, Miggy. This is the correct option. Is that clear? So you didn't get that one too. Miggy, concentrate. We would need to revisit this test. I mean the quiz.
Yes.
We will need to revisit it. But if you concentrate now and you start getting it, we might not need to revisit it. So the next question is coming. You really need to concentrate. So here comes the next question, if you can see it. And I'm giving you 15 seconds for this. Your time starts now, 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Your time is up. And you didn't supply any answer. So that means, or you type in answer, you said option 4. I'm going to bring it here. Option 4, right? Okay. So let's check it out. We'll multiply. 12 times 12. So area equal to 12 inches times 12 inches. And that's going to be 144 square inches. So you got this one correct. That option 4 is correct. So concentrate on the next one so that you can get it. Now you started getting it. Okay. The next question is coming right there. Before we look into something more that's going to add up to this one for you. Okay, here is the next one. You have 40 seconds. 40 seconds. I mean, you have 60 seconds because you need to take your time with this and work it out. 60 seconds, Miggy. Your time starts now. It is 60 seconds. Make sure you understand the question very well. And make sure you supply the answer. 40 seconds more. Time's going. 30 seconds more. Have you supplied an answer? You said option 3. Option 3. I'll bring it here. Okay. I'm not sure you calculated anything, but your time is over anyway. So let's look at it together. Make sure you concentrate. The same length as its width, then we're talking about a square. So a square. And perimeter is 32. So we have 8, 8, 8, 8, that's 32. And to find the area, you multiply this. Area equal to 8 meters times 8 meters. 8 meters times 8 meters. That's going to be 64 meters square. So you missed this one. The correct answer is option 2, not option 3. So you missed that one too. Miggy, you didn't really do well in this particular category. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 questions, and you go 1 out of 8. No, that's not a good thing, Miggy. You really need to focus. Otherwise, you would have gotten all of them. You would have gotten all of them. So we're going to move on now. Just hold on a little bit. I'm going to get some more tasks for us to look into. Okay, I think we have one more question on this aspect. Maybe to make it, maybe you can concentrate on this one and get one more, to add up to your score. So for this one, I'm giving you 60 seconds or so. 60 seconds. Your time starts now, Miggy. Work it out. If you get this one, it will boost your score in the other one. You have 50 seconds more. Don't just pick option for me, Mickey. Don't just pick option. Work it out. Otherwise, you're just going to be missing it if you just pick an option. Okay? Do quick, do quick, do quick. You have about 30 seconds more. Work it out, work it out. You can work it in your head, you can work it on the paper. Just work it out. About 20 seconds more. Time's going. I know you can get it. I know you can do it, but if you don't concentrate, you can't. Your time. Okay, I think you sent an answer, even though your time's about to be up. You said option 1. Okay, let me check it out and see option 1 that you pick. Listen carefully to this one because I'm not sure you get this. It says area is already 81. And you know that area is length times width or length times breadth. And you've been given the length to be 9. So 81 equal to 9 times what? Miggy, 81 is 9 times what? Maybe if you answer this one, I will give you the math. 81 is 9 times what, Miggy? I'm going to give you 10 seconds. 81 is 9 times what? In 10 seconds. You are muted, so I can't even hear what you're saying. Okay, you sent an option, so the time's up. Okay, you said 9. Okay, then I'm going to give you the mark for this since you sent the response to that one as 9. And see it here? You said 9. Okay. All right. Let me mark it for you since you're able to provide the answer. So the correct option is this one. I'm going to add 1 to this. This is plus 1. This is over 9. So that is going to be 2 out of 9. I know the only question that would have been difficult for you will be just 2 out of the 9. You would have gotten 7 over 9 if you put in your best. But you didn't put in your best today, Miguel, and that's not good enough. So I'm going to continue shortly. We're about to round up anyway, but we just want to look at some other concepts. Hold on a bit. For the next category, Miggy, I'll give you the clue, the general clue, because this says this is some parallelogram. You know, parallelogram. It says what is the area of the parallelogram below, and that's so simple. To find the area of parallelogram, just find the base, which is the bottom, the bottom length, then multiplied by the height, which is the vertical length. Is that clear, Miggy? So for this one, this is the base. And this is the height. So I want to give you the opportunity of getting everything in this one. So have you sent your first answer? Okay. So let me start your time now so that you can send me your answer. You have 15 seconds for this. And you should know what to do. Because I have told you the base multiplied by the height. You've seen the base at the bottom. You've seen the height standing there. So your time starts now. 15 seconds. Find the area. Okay, I think you've sent an answer already. Oh, 30 seconds. Okay, let me restart. 30 seconds. Okay, you said you requested for 30 seconds, but it's going anyway. So just to multiply the two numbers you're looking at. Okay, I think you've sent an answer. More time to review. I said multiply the numbers you're seeing. Okay. Send me your answer. Okay. You said 10 cm. I'm going to give you this one, but next time, don't mention cm. It's a square unit, so it will be cm square. cm squared. Take note of that, cm squared. Is that clear? So that's what you should take note of next time. It is cm squared. Area should always be in square units. So never in centimeters. So I'm just going to give you this one, but it should be cm squared. So now for the next stage, you got the first one correct. Now, okay, I think should. So for your scores, this is correct. Are you ready for the next one? Okay. For the next one, each tile, blah, 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 blah. Okay, let me see. This one doesn't really have a dimension stated, but then we can try to count the squares to identify the base. I mean, the next one I want to bring. So you identify the base, then you can identify the height. So if you can get the base and the height from the question, then you will be able to multiply and find your answers. Let me see. Oh, think. Yeah. So let me check something. Okay. Okay, let me bring it up, okay? Let me bring it up. So you just try it. Because the dimensions were not given. Yeah. Do you think you can try this? I'm going to give you how many seconds now? I'll give you 40 seconds. 40 seconds. So your time starts now. And I'll be surprised if you get the answer, but 30 seconds more. 20 seconds more. 10 seconds more. And okay, you still have a chance to get a score for this, okay? But that is only if you respond to what are we asking you. You have a chance to get it because we need to count. We need to count. Let's count the height. 1, 2, 3. So we have the height of 3. We have the height equal to 3. Then, don't worry. Let me just, as I said, you still have the chance to get this answer correctly. Then let's find the base. We want to count the base. So let's say we have something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we can just count it as 10 if we try to reconfigure it. So the base is going to be 10. Then the area of the parallelogram is base times height, which is 10 square units times 3 square units. So provide your answer before the count of 5. Then you get the math. 1, 2. Miggy, provide your answer before the count of 5 so you get the math. 1, 2, 3. You're muted, so I can't even hear that. 4. And finally, I think you sent something. Okay, you said 30. 30. Let me bring it up here. And that is correct. So I give it a mark for that. Then I'm going to check the next one. I want to be hopeful that the next one is going to be, with dimensions so that, but for your score, you still get it, man. So you got 2 right now. Let's quickly look at the next one for, okay, this is a very good one, and it's going to take you to calculate. So do not sleep on it. Just make sure you multiply what you need to multiply. Can you see the question now? Your time starts now. You have 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Don't miss it. The time starts now. 30 seconds more. 20 seconds more. Time's going. 10 seconds more. But you sent me an answer already. Oh, yeah. Okay, I should restart the time. I will restart it. So 40 seconds right now. Thirty seconds more. 20 seconds more. 10 seconds more. And your time is going. It's about to finish. Your time is up. Okay, let me do this. Let me add agree. Okay, you sent an answer? Let me check it. You said 100, 100, 100, 100. Okay, let's check it together and see if it's 100. Okay, there's what you sent. It's 100. We are going to multiply. That's going to be 12 times, 12.5, not 12. 12.5 times 8. And I'm not sure if you're right. 12 times 8 is 96. And 0.5 times 8 is 4. Then you get 100. I think that's correct. That's a good job. Okay, you got the third one. We want to round up before we round up. Yes, okay, you put the unit now. Fine, I've sent you the unit. That is square foot or square feet. So the next question, this one, I'm going to give you 60 seconds because it will involve you moving around all of the options. So 60 seconds for this one. Okay, your time. Yeah, you pass that one, okay? So this one you have 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Miggy, concentrate. 60 seconds, your time starts now. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Your time starts now. It's going. You have 20 seconds, 40 seconds more, not 20 seconds. I gave you enough time because you have to go through all of the options to know the largest one. Okay, you sent me an answer. That was quick. If you said option 1, option 1, and that was a quick one anyway. So let's check it all together because, let's both check it. 12 times 6 is 72. 8 times 10 is 80. 10 times 7 is 70. And 9 times 8 is 72. So you missed this one because it's supposed to be 80. So you got a wrong one there. Maybe you can make it up. Let's look at this next question. One round up. Now we have just 3 questions. Or is it 3 or 4 questions? I think. Oh, it's more than. Let's just look at one more question, maybe. One more question. One question before we round up. So, here it comes. Okay. You have 20 seconds for this. 20 seconds, and your time starts now. Just 20 seconds. Your time is gone. Okay, I gave you another 15 seconds. I'm stopping it at 35. Or is it 35? Yeah. Okay, I'm not stopping it. Let me give you room to give me the answer. Oh, you submitted an answer? You said 42 meters square. Let's check it out together. 42 meters square. So the area we said 7 meters by 6 meters. That is 7 times 6, and that's 42 meters square. You're correct. That's a good job, by the way. That's a good job. So here now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You get 4 out of 5. And that is 80%. Wait a minute. Okay, 80%. That's good. It's a good job. And Miggy, can you hear me now? That is where we will be rounding up the class for today. So you can exit the class now. We'll meet tomorrow by God's grace. Okay. Oh, you don't want to go? Okay. Okay, bye. That's okay. That's okay. Goodbye. I can see your responses there. So you can exit the class. Yeah, that's a good one. At least you later finally cooperated with the session, Okay, here is what is sent later, and say yes, okay, goodbye. As a teacher, maybe this is for teachers there. As a teacher, don't write of any kid, don't write of any child. If you before you complain about a child's character, give 1,000 ways or give 1,000 chances for that kid to improve, and you will be surprised how cooperative that child is going to be in the hand. Okay, that'll be it for now. We're gonna meet some other time, and that's tomorrow anyway. Please subscribe to this channel. Thank you.